So today we are doing lesson 17. We're fixing and doing an example of the problem of number 2. So it says the baker packs 36 graham muffins in boxes of 4. Draw and label a tape diagram to find the number of boxes he packs. What am I being asked to do? I'm being asked to draw and label a tape diagram so that I can find the number of boxes he packs. What information will help me to solve this problem, or what do I know that's going to help me solve the problem? I know there are 36 graham muffins. I also know that that's the total. That's how many he has in all. Then I know that there are boxes of 4. Now, when I'm thinking about multiplication and division, I know there's 3 parts. There's the total, there's the size of the groups, and there are the groups. So I have to ask myself, is boxes of 4 the groups or the size of the groups? Well, it's the size of the groups. It's telling me how many are in the boxes. So this is the size. So now I am going to have to figure out how many groups. In this case, the groups are the boxes. So I have to figure that out. And a lot of students mix up boxes of 4 and 4 boxes. 4 boxes are talking about the containers or the groups, whereas boxes of 4 is talking about the size. How many are in those boxes? So I don't know how many boxes I need, but I do know that I need a tape diagram. So here's where I begin to strategize after I've analyzed. Here's my tape diagram, and I'm just going to begin to draw groups of 4 because I know that's the size of the groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm also going to label as I go, count as I go, so I won't have to restart. 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. If you notice, I'm running out of room here. So 29, 30, 31, 32. I'm simply just going to add to the end of my box, 33, 34, 35, 36, and it won't always be perfect, and that's okay. So what do I know? I know that my whole thing is worth 36, and those are my muffins. There are 36 total muffins. It told me that up here. And I know that in each box there are 4 muffins. What I don't know is how many boxes I need. So I'm going to go ahead and count how many boxes I had to make around my groups of 4. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I have 9 total boxes here. That's the number of my groups. So writing an equation here, I started out with 36 bran muffins, and I divided them in groups of 4, and it got me 9 boxes that were needed. I'm going to put a box around my answer so that Ms. Thomas knows which one on the paper is my answer. And so when I'm looking at this, I understand that I started with my total, and I got the groups, the number of groups that there were. And so this is what I'm doing. This is how I'm figuring it out, just using those strategies. Why do I think my answer is right? I have the same total down here that they told me I had. I have boxes of 4, like they said. I drew and labeled a tape diagram. My 36 muffins, my 4 up here, and I should say these are 4 muffins each. And then I found the number of boxes that he needed. At least that's what I think my answer is right. This is my answer here in the box. And did I answer what was asked of me? Did I answer the question, or does my answer match? Yes. They wanted a tape diagram. They wanted to know how many boxes, and I did that. That's an example of a problem where they give you the total and you have to find the missing part, which in this case was the missing groups.